Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Pull the housing to the left to disengage the housing tabs from their catch. Once the tabs are free, lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AF2785 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the hose. Reinstall the sensor. Retighten the hose clamp. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.